ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to start all my vlogs like that from here on. I enjoy talking to you guys every week. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching these videos as much as I've enjoyed taking a little break from my normal routine around here and making them for you. What we're doing today is we're doing some extra bulb comparisons for you. Everybody responded really well to that Osram bulb comparo that we did last week. So this week we're switching it up and we are doing the Phillips bulbs. Right now I'm just picking up some bulbs off the shelf so that we can obviously take them over there and do our thing with them. But just one of many things happening around here today. So I hope you guys are enjoying the rest of your week. We had a little bit of a snow day around here yesterday, so apologize that we weren't here to answer your phone calls and emails as we usually do. But unfortunately, this is Atlanta. They don't have snow trucks here. They don't have snow plows. They don't have salt. So despite the fact that it's really only a couple inches of snow, everything turns to ice. And actually, it's still pretty bad out there today. But nonetheless, all of our dudes came to work, and we're here to help you out. Shipments are moving today. Stuff's coming in. Stuff's going out. So at least there's that. But again, apologize for the little lapse in our normally scheduled program yesterday. Anyways, back to what I was doing here. I had to get a Phillips White Vision Gen 2 bulb D2S for our comparison. I know that my boy Caesar from Lightworks is all about these bulbs. He's about that Phillips bulb life. So I'm just kind of curious to see for myself how they compare to the Osrams. I'm kind of an Osram kind of guy. I know he's a Phillips kind of guy. So I'm kind of curious myself to see just what we're going to find when we pitch these bulbs against one another. So back to our little setup over here. You can see we got a bunch of recording gear and all that fun stuff put together. And just kind of get back to what we were up to.
For old time's sake.
So serene in the warehouse right now with NMA here. Yeah. So I got this ballast here, a brand new XB35. We're going to run it on 35 watts. I think this should be fine. You know what though? A little bit of a problem is that last week I ran that test on a Denso ballast. This week I'm going to run it on an XB35 ballast. But honestly speaking, I mean, they both are rated at 35 watts. And in previous comparison tests, we have found the actual wattage of the ballast to be even. I think that what we can do is to make sure that our baseline is even, I can do a Denso ballast on the 85122 bulb, and then I can do the Morimoto ballast. We'll compare the intensity, and if they're the same, then we can presume that our results this week will be accurate relative to how they ended up last week with our Osrams powered by our Denso. So we'll do that. Okay, cool. Shh, quiet on the set. Val's over here doing a little DIY video for the Pixel DRL boards, and we're gonna venture into the warehouse and see what's happening over here today. So let's see what we got going on. Luis, what you doing, man?
Checking out some orders, boss man.
Checking out some orders?
Yeah, trying to get some stuff out the door.
Just requests from the dudes upstairs and stuff that needs to go out?
Yeah, really waiting for UPS to get everything and stuff.
Yeah, that's what's up, yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, UPS and USPS were shut down in Atlanta yesterday thanks to the lovely weather here. But they're back in business today, and we are waiting on some freight to show up. So Luis, our warehouse manager, is waiting for that stuff to come in so we can get it checked in the inventory system, run a bunch of orders through it, and then we can get that stuff out because we got a few parts that are on back order, which nobody likes back orders. So yeah, gotta do what you gotta do as far as that goes. Well, they already packed this morning's batch, so I'm not sure what else is happening over here. But let's see what these guys are up to. What are you guys doing? Restocking. Okay. All right. That's pretty boring. They're just restocking the shelves, but nonetheless necessary in terms of our ability to run smoothly around here. You got to have all the inventory that's up on the top, restocked on the bottom. As you can see, we keep a lot of big cartons of product all the way at the top of the shelves. And then as we get closer to the bottom, everything is decartonized and available in singular quantities. And what that does is it allows us a little bit of flexibility in our packing because we have about 50% wholesale and 50% retail customers. So when we have a wholesale customer, those guys like to order by case quantities. We can pick an entire case of product off the top shelf, But for all of our retail guys who order one set of something, we can pick all of those parts off the bottom of the shelf. So a lot of the inventory comes from the top to the bottom, and we like to keep a little bit of an inventory on both types of packaging just for efficiency's sake. So again, as you can see, open cartons on the bottom. These are all the profile prism and pixel pivot, halos and all that stuff. And if you go up to the top, those are all full cartons. So if somebody orders a case, boom, right there, got it. Don't even need to unpack it. And a lot of you guys are probably used to seeing that. You know, for some of you guys who are wholesale customers in ours, who have been with us for a long time, you guys are probably pretty used to getting full cases of product, which is great. Ah, yes. I see my homie Alex over here working on some lens etching. What do we got going on today, Alex? What's going on?
Just two simple lenses.
Just two simple lenses?
Taco
like that?
comb and a ribbon for cancer awareness.
Taco comb? Is that what we call that?
Yeah, taco honeycomb.
Taco honeycomb. Boom. That's pretty cool. I like that.
There you go. It's a bit partial. A little bit complete.
We were thinking about doing a video for you guys that compares the light output of an etched lens compared to the same projector with a non-etched lens, because all of our customers who are interested in lens etching ask, well, yeah, it looks sweet, but how does it affect the performance? And realistically, there's really almost no effect in terms of the light output. Of course, if you etch almost the entire surface area of the lens, you know, it's going to change the light output a little bit, but we'll leave the details for when we make the video, I guess. Don't need to explain too much now. This one's nice. Breast cancer. That's what's up. What is this? I like that.
Writing the standard procedures for
Super 7. I like that. Super 7 prep. That's what's up. Good, good?
Let's put a Camaro on the list.
Oh yeah, we probably should do that. Let's do something a little bit productive, right? So, as you saw, Val's working on some pixel DRL boards for that 16 Camaro that our homie Chad from ATL Muscle was nice enough to loan us for the week. So his car is here. We'll go ahead and throw that thing on the lift just so that we can go ahead and reinstall the headlights when we're finished putting all the goodies inside of them. The thing is loud as fuck though, so we're definitely gonna cause a little bit of a ruckus in the customer service department. Sorry about that. Sorry.